Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making a maple pecan latte, which is a lot like my maple pecan frappuccino. If you haven't seen that video, click that button up there. It'll take you to the day where we make that. We are using the maple pecan, or we are using the pecan butter. That was so easy to make. If you haven't seen how to make that, click that button. It'll show you how to make those. All the ingredients are listed down below with the amounts. This is super simple. First thing that we're going to do is make our maple pecan syrup. Here it is. I'm going to put my maple pecan butter, my heavy whipping cream, or heavy cream, or double cream, depending upon where you are, syrup, brown sugar, and butter. Alright, I'm going to take this over to the stove and then just heat it up until the sugar has melted and the butter has melted, and then we'll bring it back to finish this up. Alright, everything is ready. I do not have a milk steamer, so what I'm going to take is I'm going to take my warm milk, put it into my handy dandy French press, and then use my French press to get some air into there. Now, once I've got a little bit of air in there, I'm going to take some of my shot of coffee, a little bit more. Woo! You can smell that. I have to work fairly quickly. As you can see, that is definitely getting the froth up. Put in the rest of my coffee. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now, I'm going to pour this into my mug. No, who am I kidding? Take the lid off. We're not straining anything. There we go. Pour that into my mug. Add a little bit of my maple syrup, about 2 tablespoons, or a little bit more. Excellent. Give that a stir. Put my lid on. Oh hey, if you follow the directions. Now let's give this a taste. That was really good. Oh, that is so good. You have the coffee, you have the maple. I tell you what I'm going to do right now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and read a book. I am. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Don't forget to leave me a message down in the comments. This is so good and it's not so roasting hot. So this will be a great drink to have on this rainy day while I'm reading. I hope you enjoyed this and I will see you again the next time. And don't forget to check out these other videos that I picked out just for you.